Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear learners. This is your English language instructor, Dr. Nurul Huda. I hope you all are doing great and enjoying the blessings of Allah. And I'm pretty sure that by now you have already done your bridging activity. And this time, yet again, your answer do not have to match mine because you can write any adjective or describing word from your previous knowledge. Now, what is the demand of the SLO? SLO clearly says that you have to develop an understanding of the participles. So we will be learning about the participles which are ending with either ing or ed. So what are participles? Read it with me. When action words become describing words. So it means they are shape shifters. They shift their shape from verbs to adjectives. Got it? From verbs to adjectives. So how they do that? They become verbs from adjective by simply adding sometimes ing at the end or sometimes ed. So when we add ing, what does that mean? Or if the word or the adjective is ending with the ed, what does that mean? So this is what we are going to be learning in the upcoming slides. So let's understand ing. A present participle, again I'm telling you, a verb, describes a noun or a pronoun that is actively doing an action. So if the adjective has ing at the end, it clearly shows that it is actively doing an action right now. But if the verb ends with the ed, what does that mean? It means a noun or pronoun that has received an action or is in a certain state. It tells us exactly what has happened to someone or something. It means it has already been happened. It is not currently doing something, and it is not doing, it is the state which tells that it has already been done. So what is present participle and what is past participle? It is always made by adding ing, and it is currently doing an action, and it shows an ongoing action, means actions is now happening. Now the third form of the verb usually ends with the ed. It receives an action. It does not do an action. In this case, it does an action. In this case, it receives an action or a certain resultant state. So what happened after the action has been done on the object? It's very important that you have to learn the difference between ing and ed. Ing means currently happened, and it is doing. Ed, already have been done on something else. It means you are not doing, you are receiving the action. Got it? So verbs are shape shifters. When they shift, they become participles or adjectives, and we have discussed two types, with the ing and with the ed. Now to check your understanding of the focus, we have designed this formative check in your practice book. You have to do it with the help of your teacher in the class, then go home, do your homework. See you again in the next Be Lift. Till then, bye-bye, Allah Hafiz.